Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So the first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system. And once you find the system, tap on it to enter, then scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the reset option. Tap on it to select it. And as you can see, now we're being asked if you want to reset our watch. We want to do it, so tap on the check mark to confirm. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.